Hello students, this is my video on similar triangle. In this video I am going to discuss some questions. In this question the whole video is based on median intercept theorem. Okay, median intercept theorem is what? In a triangle you have medians. What is the relation between the side and median of a triangle? Okay, what is the relation between side and median of a triangle? I am going to establish this relation by this theorem. This video for class 10 in mathematics. Now, look at this. ABC, it is a triangle. AD is a median. Okay, so we have to prove that AB square plus AC square. And this is a median. Median this side AB and that side AC. So AB square plus AC square equal to 2 into AD square plus half into BC square. So AD both side, what are the side are there? AB and AC and AD is on BC. So there is a relation between AB, BC and AC with AD. What is the relation? AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square half BC square. We have to prove it. Look at this. So in triangle ABC, AD is a median and we have to prove that AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square half BC square. So student, first we know what is the meaning of median. Median, it is a line segment that join midpoint of a side to the vertex of opposite angle. That means BC is the side, opposite angle is A vertex is A, the AD is the median. Okay, and D is the midpoint of BC, AD is the median. Clear? Now, we have to use Pythagoras theorem to solve this problem. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem is applicable in right angle triangle. So we have to draw perpendicular for getting the right angle triangle. So from the point A, draw AE perpendicular on BC. Okay, now look at this. In triangle ABE, angle AEB is 90 degree. That means we have to show 90 degree on this side also. Due to linear pair, yeah, both sides 90 degree because it is perpendicular. So AB square equal to A square plus B square. AB square equal to A square plus B square. AB is hypotenuse, A is perpendicular, B is the base. So AB square equal to A square plus B square, we can write here. Now, AB square, in the place of A square, we select another right angle triangle. That name is ADE. With the help of ADE, we have to find the value of A square by the side AD and DE. So this is perpendicular to hypotenuse square minus base square. AD square minus DE square, in the place of A square we can write. So in the place of A square, AD square minus DE square. Now second one is BE. BE, how could we use BE? From BD, if you subtract ED, BD minus ED, that is BE. So BD minus ED we can write here. Now AD square equal to AD square minus D square and A minus B whole square. So A square B square minus 2AB. Okay. After that, what are you watching? D and D cancel. D square cancel. Then last it is coming AD square BD square minus 2 BD into D. Okay. This is the equation number 1, and this is also known as acute angle theorem. It is also known as acute angle theorem because here it is, this one is acute angle. This is acute angle. Okay, this is acute angle. So we can use this one. The AB square equal to AD square plus BD square minus 2 into BD into ED. Now, AB square work is over. Now there is a turn of AC square. So AC square, how could you find? AC square, it is can be derived from the triangle AEC. AC square equal to AE square plus EC square. Okay, so AC square equal to AE square plus EC square. And A square means AD square minus D square. AD square minus D square in the place of A square. Okay? And EC means ED plus DC. ED plus DC to the whole square. EC means ED plus DC to the whole square. After that, we shift to the next line. AC square equal to AD square minus D square. I have written there. Now D plus DC whole square. So D plus DC whole square go through the formula A plus B whole square. A square D square, A square B square, 2AB. A square B square, 2AB. Now after that D square also cancel. What the remaining? AD square, DC square, 2DDC. Now we know that D is the midpoint. So what the length of DC? Same length is BD. No. But why error? Because in first equation BD are used. So for better cancellation, we can use DC in the BD in the place of DC. So a DC replaced by BD, also DC replaced by BD. DC and a BDD. BD, DC, BD. Okay. This is equation number 2. And this is another theorem is called obtuse angle theorem. Obtuse angle theorem, it is acute angle theorem. Okay. Because angle ABC is obtuse angle. Okay. Now, next. You have to add both of the equation. In this equation 1, LHS is AB square. In equation 2, LHS is AC square. So AB square and AC square both are added. Now 2 AD square BD square, here also AD square BD square. Now 2 BDD and plus 2 BDD they will cancel. Clear? After cancellation you have AD square 2 times, BD square also 2 times. Now 2 AD square. And we know that BD and DC both are equal, and BC is divided into 2 parts, BD and DC, and they are equal. So BD and DC both are half of BC. So we can say BC by 2 to the whole square. The 2 AD square, 2 into BC square by 4. Here it is 4 after solution. 2 divide 4 become 2. So 1 by 2 BC square. Now we got the relation between AB square and AC square equal to twice of AD square plus half of BC square. Clear, my dear? Student, I am going to use this relation to derive another theorem. Okay, you are looking this one. AB and AC, these are the sides of the triangle. And AD is the median. This median in the on the third side BC. So AB square plus AC square equal to 2 AD square half BC square. This concept I am going to use to solve another question. Okay, what is the another question is there? Look at this. I am going to rub all, okay, and I will write again this type of concept. Okay, look at this. Now, what is the second question? In second question, I will not derive too much. I just use this application there. Okay, look at this. What is the application? This is the triangle ABC. ABC triangle. BC midpoint is D. So BD equal to DC. AD is the median. Okay. AC midpoint is E. A equal to EC. So B is the median. F is the midpoint of AB. So AF equal to BF. Okay, so CF is the median. CF is the median. So CF is the median. Look at this. What do you have? In triangle ABC, AD is the median, D is the median, CF is the median. What I have to use here? We have to use this concept what I discussed just now in this question. So look what is given. In given this one. In triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF are medians. Okay. To prove that, okay, 3 times AB square plus BC square plus AC square equal to 4 times AD square plus B square plus CF square. Student, I am going to use the relation between all medians and all sides. 3 times sum of square of all side equal to 4 times sum of square of all median in a triangle, any triangle. Okay. I am going to use the concept. Okay. Median intercept theorem. Okay. In first figure, in this figure, I will use median AD. And what I discussed just now, I am going to use the proof. Direct use I am going to do because already I have discussed just now. In triangle ABC, if we are going to take AD is a median, AD is a median. Okay, what the relation I have already? AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square half BC square. AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square half BC square. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, now second one, it is equation number 1. Second one I am going to use. Second one, median. In triangle ABC, if we use B is a median. Okay, if BE is a median, what will the value? If BE is a median, then we can say AB square plus BC square twice of B square half of AC square by using this concept. Okay, another chop. AB square plus AB square, it's not clear, better to use the white chalk only. Okay, so I am going to use white chalk. AB square plus AB square plus BC square equal to 2B square, okay, half AC square. This is equation number 2. AB square plus BC square 2B square half AC square. Now third one, if we use CF median, CF median, okay, okay, if CF is a median, okay, then we can write AC square plus BC square 2CF square half AB square. AC square plus BC square 2CF square half, what is this? AB square. This is number 3. This is equation 1, this is 2, this is 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3. What I got? AB square 2 times, AB square 2 times, AC square 2 times, BC square 2 times. So we can write here AB square, BC square, AC square 2 times. Now AD square 2 times, B square 2 times, CF square 2 times. AD square, B square, CF square 2 times. Now half BC square, half AC square, half AB square. So we can go just half AB square, BC square and AC square. Okay, half AB square, BC square, AC square. Okay, now I am going to rub upper part. Here it is. Okay. All 3 equations I have rubbed. Clear? Now I am going to use this line again now. Here it is 2 AB square, BC square, AC square equal to 2 AD square, B square, CF square plus half AB square, BC square and AC square. ठीक है. Now I am going to rub the bottom line. Okay, this one. Now look. You look, it is twice of AB square plus BC square plus AC square, and it is half of AB square BC square CA square. It will send this side. So what will come? Suppose it is x and it is also x. The 2x, it is 1 by 2x. So from 2x, if you subtract 1 by 2x, it becomes 3 by 2x. And in 3 by 2, AB square plus BC square plus AC square. Okay? And here it is. And it will go that side. AB square, BC square, AC square from both sides common. 2 minus 1 by 2. After calculation 3 by 2 coming. And here it is 2 AD square, B square, and here it is CF square. Okay. Now these two multiply this. So here it is coming now 3 AB square, BC square, AC square equal to 2 to the 4. So 4 times AD square, B square and CF square. Okay. Okay, my dear. By this way, you got the relation between all sides and all median. That means 3 times the square of sum of all sides equal to 4 times sum of square of all median. Thank you.